Hi, and welcome to this gentle yoga flow. We're going to begin lying down on the back, connecting to the breath to help to release tension with the assistance of gravity. So lie down onto your back with your knees bent, feet down on the floor. Let your arms rest at your side. Take a deep breath in through your nose to fill up your lungs. And let it all out. And we're going to start from this relaxed position. Just letting go of the tension, letting go of the strain, letting go of what you're holding on to. Then we're going to do some real gentle movements, just moving nice and slow, 1 mile an hour. I want you to visualize seaweed moving in the ocean gently as really gentle waves roll in and out. So let's take the arms down to a goalpost position. And with your feet the width of your mat, just let your knees swivel over to the right. And as the knees swivel to the right, the left arm goes down, right arm goes open, and turn your head to the left. Come back to center and change sides. As you inhale, come back to center. And as you exhale, change sides. Let's just go side to side like this. Letting the hips and the lumbar spine start to mobilize. Feeling the arm bones rolling in the socket to release tension for the shoulders and for the neck. Gentle massage for the buttock muscles rolling along the floor. And even feel the back of the skull getting a gentle massage here. Good, now come to center and bring your right knee in towards your chest as you slide your left heel out along the floor. Make some circles with your right big toe. Change the direction of the circles, gently immobilizing the ankle joint. Change sides, bring your left knee in towards your chest. And start to make circles with the left big toe. Seeing if you can go nice and slow to increase the size of the circle. Change direction. Good. Now hug your right knee back in towards your chest and stretch your right arm up and overhead. Change sides. Hug the left knee in as you slide the left arm up and over. Change sides. And change sides. Release and open up the arms straight out to the side, feet the width of the mat again. And similar to what we did initially, let the knees go over to the right as you rotate the arms. The left thumb turns down, the right thumb turns open. Turn your gaze. Inhale to center and exhale, change sides. Knees go to the left as the right thumb turns down and the left thumb turns up. And alternating here, nice and slow. No rush. These movements are deeply restorative, and as we restore to the body, to the nervous system, this will help to channel energy through the body where you feel things have been stuck. Come back to center. Now take the arms into a cactus position. And roll the chin towards the chest as you arch the lower back. Roll the chin away from the chest as you flatten through the lower back. Arch through the lower back, chin to chest. And flatten through the lower back, chin away from chest. Hands behind the head. Gently tuck the chin towards the chest as you roll the elbows to the knees. Lower back down. Open up. Let the back arch. And tuck chin towards chest as you roll up, elbows to knees. Roll down. Last one. Roll up. And roll down. Arms come back to cactus. Feet the width of the mat. Knees swivel to the right as you look to the left. Change sides. Knees to the left as you look to your right. Inhale, glide to center. And exhale, change sides. This time we can add a reach. If you feel the chest and shoulder feel open enough, you can slide the left arm overhead. At the same time, roll your buttocks out of your lower back towards your knee to deepen the stretch there. For the deep front body line, come back to center and change sides. Taking a moment to pause to reach the buttock down out of the back. And now moving nice and smooth. You can continue to add that little pause if you're enjoying it, or you can just flow with the breath, up to you. Continue this movement. No rush, no forcing, just sliding like seaweed. In this deeply yin and restorative practice. Good, now come back to center and just notice how much more open the chest and neck feel. Then take both arms out to the side as you bring your right knee in towards your chest. And we're just going to rock the knee to the left elbow as you look to the right. And then come back to center. Rock towards the left elbow as you look to the right. Center. And rock towards elbow. To relax the leg, you can hook the big toe behind the left knee and hold for 3. To deepen the stretch, you can put your left hand on the outside of your right knee or just keep the arms open. 2. Exhaling, relax deeper. 1. Beautiful, nice job. Come back to center and bring your right knee in towards your chest. Little massage making some circles there. Change the direction of the circle. Good, now change sides. Arms go open as you bring the left knee up. Let the knee go over to the right as you look to your left. Back to center. Exhaling, the knee goes to the right. To center. Exhaling, the knee to the right. To center. And the last one will hold. Letting the big toe rest to the inside of the right knee. For 3. Exhaling deeply to relax. 2. 1. Okay, now come back to center. Hands to the knee and we'll make gentle circles. You can hold the top of the shin or back of the knee, depending on your knee health. Change the direction of the circles. Good. Set that foot down and stretch the leg out. Bend the right knee, put the right foot down onto the ground. Now open your left arm out to the side, not straight out, not straight overhead, but right in between, so it's at this angle. And then we're going to let the right knee open up to the side as you look towards your left hand. Bring the head and right knee back to center. And then knee and head go opposite directions. Exhaling to relax. Inhaling to center. Exhale to open into the stretch. And inhale. Last one. Exhaling. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Bring it back. Good job. Change sides. Left foot goes down. Right arm opens up. You can bring the left hand down at a diagonal as well. Let the left knee open as you look to your right. Back to center, and you can even turn as you go back to center your head towards your left hand for a deeper stretch. And then open back up again as you exhale. Flowing with your breath. 3 more times. Pausing at the end of your third one and holding for 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to center. Good. Now we'll change the arm position. Take the left arm open, right arm at the diagonal like we just did. Right leg stretched out, and then this time we'll twist the left knee across the body as you look towards your left elbow. So just a little bit different opening. We'll do that 3 times. And as you come back to center, you can go past center, let the left knee open as you look to your right hand. And then as you exhale, go to the other side, knee goes across the body, look to your left elbow. Last one. Good, then change sides, bring the knee back to center, the right arm goes up at the diagonal, the left arm down at the diagonal, left leg slides out. Right knee goes across the body as you look to your right. Open knee as you look to your left hand. Two more times. Finding a rhythm with your breath, not forcing, moving nice and slow. You might feel shifts and pops, the body releasing. Just notice how you haven't had to force, just naturally the body releases with these gentle movements. Bring the knee back to center. Both arms up at the diagonal now. Take a deep breath in. And let it all the way out. Stretch the legs out as the arms reach overhead now. Take a deep breath in. See this full body stretch. And let it out. Bring your hands to prayer position. Touch the thumbs at the forehead. Feel how much more centered and balanced the mind feels. Bring the thumbs to the heart. Thank you for joining me for this practice. Namaste.